It's available. Meanwhile, does anyone have any questions for us? You might answer a few questions, just 2 questions. Anyone? Yes, you sir that I have never seen before, but I know both your names.
You mentioned you've been a dad for 6 months, right?
We mentioned that?
You mentioned you've been
I've been a father for 6 months, yes. That I know of, okay, yeah.
What's been the most shocking thing for you?
The most shocking thing, his dick is small. Huyu mtoto sioni kama ni wangu. Like he is black from here upward. Down this way amepata mambo ya mama. That's been the most shocking thing. No, I think the most honestly the most shocking thing is just how much you can love something like unconditionally. Because like my wife, I love her, but conditionally. Uko na ngapi? Okay, chukua 40% first. But for him it's like 100%, yeah. Oh. Okay, there's another question. Last one. Oh no, there's one from a guy who looks like Professor Nyang Nyongo.
That is Ugandan too.
That guy is Ugandan?
Yeah, it's called Arnold.
Arnold.
But
Carry on. Arnold. Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
No, so thanks for everything. It's been really, really one of the most amazing shows I've attended.
Okay. Wait, there's a back coming, guys.
No, there is no back.
Uh-huh.
You've traversed a lot of different places. If we focus on the East African community, how would you compare the different comedy performances?
If we focus on the East African comedy, I'll say this. Tanzania is amazing. It has a very robust comedy scene. And one of the reasons is that they are operating in a very tight harness whereby they cannot speak about everything and yet they are able to make everyday mundane things hilarious. Big shout out to Punch and Comedy Club Tanzania, yes. Ahmed, Evans, Dogo Pepe, all the big guys down there. Big shout out to Watu Baki led by Dale Gracious, he's been here. Big shout out to Leonardo. All of those guys are really good. Uganda, I'm so sorry. We don't understand what you're saying. I have been in this comedy industry. What are you saying? No, I think East Africa is really good. I feel Uganda was doing really well, and then the pandemic came and that sort of closed down things. But right now it's opening up. We had the Ugandan here, Odoki Eli, who is very, very good. There's other guys, Dr. Hillary. There's different people who are really doing it. Cotilda. And then Kenya, we have Saviour, man. We have Saviour, yeah. Last question, we're closing up. Sorry, we're taking too much time. Yes, you had a question? There was a question somewhere. No?
You want to ask me where I've traversed?
Yes. Rongai Babadogo.
There,
Hapo Transworld, you traversion.
Been to several countries? Several
Counties, yes.
Here and there. Yeah, the difference is the same.
Last someone, Ed, you have a question? Go ahead. It's for Saviour, yes.
As someone in the media, I've seen you in every list in the last few weeks, right?
Thank you.
So, as someone in media, Ed has seen
That's how I'm bad.
Saviour in a lot of lists. Yeah, carry on, yes.
What has changed for you in how you approach your comedy, given that now you have a bigger line?
What has changed for Saviour as how he approaches his comedy, being that now he has something?
Thank you very much for that question. First of all, when I was starting out before it was burst. Well, the pocket is still the same. You can tell by the suit, Sumeyona Sana. You've seen this one, eh?
Yes.
Robert pictures. What has basically changed is right now I think I'm getting at least an international audience. Okay, whenever comments, so, I'm watching you from Romania. I'm like, all right.
But I thought you'd say I'm watching you from Rongai because my name is international.
Then they say I'm watching you from Romania. Shukran. Romania, I got Shukran.
Psycho za Rongai. Wewe unasoma vibaya. Wewe
Watching from England. Peter. Peter English. When at least now I'm transversing the boundaries. Yeah.
Guys, thank you very much for being here. We have a show on the first, like I mentioned. Please clap it up for yourselves.
Also tomorrow.
Also tomorrow, if you're in the